Hello folks, today we are going to learn how to develop line chart in an easy way. So let me drag order date to columns, change it to months, and let me drag sales to rows. So here you have a line chart in front of you. But if you want to check based on year, just drag year to color segment and you'll be able to see how it has performed over the years for all the 4 years. Now if you want to drag it to levels, like it looks too clumsy, all the sales is difficult to identify which is the maximum, which is the minimum. So you can just drag to make it look clean. Just go to labels and mark it as min and max. It'll show the lowest sale has happened in Feb 2014 and the highest sale has happened in the month of November 2017. Let me show you another way to develop the line graph. The same process what we did for the bar chart. Just click on the order date, press Ctrl, click on sales, and you have the line chart available here. Click on this, follow the same process, change it to months, and drag order date to colors. So you have the line chart ready. So these are the two ways you can try to develop line graphs. It's quite simple. Rest we'll learn in the next session. Have a nice day.